Hey YouTube, it's Haps Collector 13. I hope you guys are having a great day. In today's video, I have the brand new 2022-23 UpperDeck Stature Hobby box. I'm really excited to open another box of Stature. I didn't open the one of last year, but the previous year I opened I think the 2019-20. So there's 8 cards per pack and 1 pack per box, obviously. So let's see what good cards we can pull out of this. So as you can see, the pack is like inside. Okay, so the pack is pretty heavy. I like it. It's a good sign, I think. And yeah, so let's take the scissors and open the pack really slowly. We don't want to damage the cards. Okay, so this is the inside. Okay, really slowly. We are looking obviously for Maddie Beniers, Matt Boldy as the primary like rookies inside, but this product is really filled with amazing cards. So all right, let's start with the top card. First we have a Quinton Byfield UpperDeck Stature base, which is really nice, with the LA Kings. This is the back, really nice. Next card we have a base card of Ryan O'Reilly with the St. Louis Blues, also really nice. Okay, we're gonna take the card from the back. We have a nice Anders Lee Splendid Skaters. So this card is actually so nice. It's really nice. If the Islanders come to Montreal, I will definitely try to get it signed. Okay, so next card we have our first rookie of Isaac Ratcliffe, numbered out of 399 with the Philadelphia Flyers. So really nice. Gonna put it aside. Okay, next card we have a green. UpperDeck Stature of Zach Werenski, number out of 99. So a really nice green parallel, number out of 99. And now we have, I believe, 3 cards to go. We're gonna go from the back. We have a Michael Assimont, a rookie. Well, I don't know if it's a rookie actually. So Michael Assimont, Wonderkind. So GP Sports Card pulled the same one, but with the patch and the autograph. Okay, so next card we have a UpperDeck Splendid Skaters of Alexander Holtz, number out of 150. So really nice, 145 on a 150. Looks like a teal or a green parallel. Is the back. And for our final card we have a Splendid Skaters of Andrei Vasilevsky, number out of 15. Wow. Really nice. Not autographed, but a nice parallel card of Andrei Vasilevsky. And that's pretty much it for the break. We only got 1 autograph, but we got 2 rookies of Ratcliffe and Alexander Holtz, which is really nice. and a nice autograph of Michael Essimont with the Winnipeg Jets. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I also posted the brand new SP Authentic. So if you guys want to check it out, it's going to be in the description. Also, I posted UpperDeck Series 1 and a break of Tim Hortons. So make sure you check it out, and see you in the next video. Peace.